how to turn on or turn off the LED blink light for the front and the back. So at the back here, you can also switch it off as well. So to turn off the LED light, first press on the side button here, the mode button, to go back to your camera frame. Then we swipe down at the top and then swipe to the left. Next, tap on Preferences and then tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on LEDs. In here you can choose all on or all off or front off only. So here I'm going to choose all off, and then I press on the mode button to go back. You can see this time when I try to press the record button, it does not blink on the light, as well as over here as well. This time the light will not blink. And that's it. And if we switch it on, it will blink. So here you can see if I go in and switch it on, all on. Then if I press on the shutter button, you can see it will blink both the front and the back. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.